channel. Today is Friday, so I'm back with another weekend vlog. This weekend, super chill weekend. Right now, Naoki and I just got home from dinner and doing a bit of shopping, and we ended up going to the dollar store and finding this cute little tree. I was like, hey, we don't have a tree at home. It's almost December and we need one. Our apartment is quite small, so I feel like getting a bigger tree was just gonna take up way too much space, but I found this one and it's so cute. We're gonna find a place for us to put it, and we also bought like little decorations for it. We bought little lights that are in shape of a snowflake, and then these ornaments that are definitely way too much for this little tree, so we're just gonna put a few of them on. But I'm so excited to make our apartment a little bit decorative and spirited for Christmas. Here's our little tree, our little Charlie Brown tree. It's so tiny and cute, but I think it looks really cute here. What do you guys think? So recently I've been getting back into crocheting. It was my COVID hobby and I did it a lot before, and like very on and off now, but I've been super into making these like really cute beanies. This is the one that I'm making right now. It's a mohair beanie, so this is the mohair, and it's just like this super like fluffy kind of wool, and it's so nice. But essentially I've been making them like after they're done, I've been brushing them out so they have this like really cool fuzzy effect, which I absolutely love. This is the first one that I made. I don't love like the color scheme that I did. Well, I don't mind the colors, but I just don't love the pattern that I did. And then I made this one that I think I'm gonna give to my friend for her birthday next week, which is like so cute. I actually love how this turned out, and I just want to keep making so many of these. So that's what I'm gonna be doing probably this whole weekend. I'm probably gonna try and make like 3 or 4 of them, because I make them quite quickly. Like I think this is like a really fast project for someone to do, but I absolutely love it. So literally anytime I'm in front of a TV, that's what I've been doing.
These are chocolates.
Finally back home. Now I went to the gym. We did go to the mall afterwards because it is Black Friday weekend, so I bought a couple of things. This is the haul. Naoki's birthday is actually on Tuesday, so he wanted these On Cloud 6s for his birthday, so I bought him this. They're actually waterproof, which I think is pretty cool and like kind of useful for like this type of weather, because it can be quite rainy and then like it's gonna start snowing. So he's gonna have this as like his everyday casual type shoes, but they weren't on sale, but he still wanted them and I had to get him his birthday present, so these are for him. Actually yesterday when we were out, we tried to go to this store to find the shoes that he wanted, but they didn't have it, but I found something for myself instead, which I feel like was a pretty good deal because they're on sale and they were literally $80. And I went to the store the week before and they were still on sale for $100, so it went down $20 more. I'm pretty sure they're men's shoes, but I still really like them. They're these Asics. I don't even know which ones they are. Yeah, Asics Jog 100S. I think that's what it's called. I literally don't know. I just saw them and I thought they were really cute. But like for $80, like as a nice casual shoe, go like not really right now at this time of the year, but like for next year, I think it's gonna be super cute. I've been also meaning to buy a new winter jacket because I feel like I don't have like a nice in-between jacket for when it's like not super cold that I need like my big super puff that's like really long, and then also when it's not as warm that I can wear like I have like this fuzzy green Uniqlo jacket that I've been wearing, but I need something in between. So I decided to buy this jacket from Uniqlo. It's the seamless down parka. I think it's super cute, and I just needed it for like more casual things because also the super puff that I currently have is this like light brown type of color, and then sometimes I just go out and eat and like something falls on it and there's like an oil stain on it, which is super annoying because I don't want to wash it every single week. Like I try only washing it once a year because of like it's gonna lose its fluffiness if I keep washing it. So I bought this one for more like casual things, and then also for when it's not as cold. But yeah, I'm excited to wear this because sometimes I'd be really cold with my thinner jacket or like sweating with my bigger jacket. And the last thing I bought was literally just socks. Thinking about it now, literally nothing on sale was on sale except for the Asics shoes that I bought. In a couple hours, Naoki and I are gonna head to go for his birthday dinner. We're going to this French place that has really, really great steak. But for now, I'm probably just gonna crochet until I have to start getting ready, and then we're going to head out. So as you guys saw yesterday, I finished this little hat, which I think is super cute. But then when I went out today, I went out with a ponytail, and I was like, I need something to wear when my hair's up. So I feel like I've been putting my hair up a lot recently. So I think I'm gonna make a headband version of this. I don't remember how to make headbands. I need to search it up because it's been a while since I made one. But I think I'm gonna make a headband version of this. And I think instead of giving my friend this hat for her birthday, I think I'm gonna make her a headband too, because she typically also has her hair up, and I know she likes wearing like earmuffs and headbands in the winter as well. So instead of giving her this one, I will give her that instead. But right now I need to figure out how to make it because I don't remember, but I'm gonna figure it out.
Guilty about it. Makeup was going too light on the concealer.
Guys, we're just mixing and matching today.
Okay, I actually made this super fast. It looks so cute. I love the colors. I even brushed it out. I just have to weave in the ends, but I really like it. I think I'm gonna make some more. But this is what it looks like on. I do fear it may be a little too big for my head, but I do have a smaller head, so if I give this to someone, I think it'll be fine. Like, look, it's so nice. It covers my ears, so it'll be good for the winter. I think I'm gonna start getting ready for our dinner. We don't have reservations. Place doesn't take resos, so we just have to like walk in and wait for them. So I didn't want to go too late because if we go too late, then we might not be able to get a table. So I'm gonna go get ready, and then we're gonna go head to dinner. So we went to the original place, Kotzebue, that we were trying to go to for this dinner, but the wait was 3 hours. So we went to their sister restaurant just up the street, and we've been here before. It's so good. Right now we're eating some oysters. To make some soup right now. I'm making a butternut squash soup. It is my favorite fall soup to make. Tonight I'm actually going to my friend Bree's place. I think 3 of us are going to be there, and each of us are going to make a different type of soup to share. We're having a little soup soiree, so I'm very excited. I'm going to make this butternut squash soup, and I will show you guys how to make it. So obviously you need a squash. We need, I think, just like 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, an onion, some ginger, and then I also have sage. So we're gonna start off with cutting and peeling the squash. Honestly, I genuinely believe that this takes the longest because it takes forever to cut through this thing, and then it also takes forever to peel. And I also don't know if I have the best peeler for this task today, but we shall see. vegetables are cut up. I am just heating up the pot right now and we're gonna start putting in our ingredients. Oh my god. I'm making a mess. So I've added the water and the chicken bouillon for the stock, but I'm not liking that the squash isn't fully covered, so I think I'm gonna add some more just so that everything can be covered and then all the squash will be cooked at the same time. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to simmer and hopefully everything cooks down. It'll probably take around like an hour for the squash to fully get soft. And then once it's fully soft, we're gonna blend it and then we're gonna add finishing touches and it's all done. Okay, so the squash is finally cooked down and it's super soft. So I'm gonna start blending it. I don't know if the whole pot is gonna fit in the blender. I feel like it probably won't, so I'm gonna have to do it in batches. But we're gonna start blending and then we're gonna finish it off with adding some butter and then seeing if it needs some additional spices. So typically to end it off, I'll usually just add some butter into it to make it a bit more like creamier, to have a bit of a different flavor as well. I don't know what else I need to add, but I'm just gonna add in the butter first and then we're gonna taste it and see if anything else needs to be added. You can already see the butter melting and it's getting a little bit lighter in color, which is really nice. It smells so good.